Hey everyone, and welcome to this video. Today I'm at Auto Credit Canada, and we're doing some cold starts today. It is about -9 degrees out right now, Celsius, which I think is about 13 or 14 degrees Fahrenheit. And, well, this is a 2007 Toyota Camry. Here we go, unlock. Don't know how long it's been since this car has been started. I'm trying to turn the key with my left hand. Just a second, guys. There we go. This car has 124,512 kilometers on it. It's -7 out now. Little hesitant in the cold, but starts right up. And the seatbelt thing is already going. No smoke from the exhaust. And we'll take a look under the hood on this car. And it's held up with 2 gas shocks. Nice. 16 valve VVTi, and this is the 2.4 liter inline 4 engine. One of Toyota's long-running engines, and really good engines actually. These things go for a lot of miles. That's for sure. There's a lot of oil spray under the hood too, it looks like, because it isn't got a lot of oil spray there. And even up at the back there it has some. The whole core support is sprayed with oil real well. Nice. Someone took care of this. Close up the hood. It is frosty out. It did sit down at -13 last night, so it is rather cold. But yeah, 124,000 kilometers on this. Not much at all. This thing can go for a lot longer. So we'll close this car up, and we'll go on to the next car then. Is it locked? I think the remote's dead on this one pretty much. That's okay. We'll just lock it by hand. Anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, favorite, and share this video, as well as subscribe for more. Have a great day, everyone.